Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows multiple gallbladder polyps. You can see the liver and the gallbladder, and multiple polyps are seen along the interior and posterior walls of the gallbladder. Gallbladder polyps are elevations of gallbladder wall that project into the lumen. They are commonly detected on ultrasound scans of the abdomen with a prevalence estimated between 0.3 and 9.5%. They may also be found following analysis of the gallbladder specimen following cholecystectomy. You can see the multiple gallbladder polyps. Gallbladder polyp size is often an indication of presence of cancer. Small gallbladder polyps less than half inch in diameter are typically benign and in most cases do not need to be treated. Gallbladder polyps larger than half inch in diameter have a greater likelihood of being or becoming malignant. These gallbladder polyps, as you see in this video, are smaller than half inch, so they are typically must be benign at this stage of examination. A gallbladder polyps is a growth that bulges from the surface of the inner gallbladder wall. Some polyps are formed by cholesterol deposits in the gallbladder wall. Others may be small tumors, either cancer or non-cancer, and may be caused by inflammation. Again, you can see the multiple gallbladder polyps seen in the body and the neck of the gallbladder along the interior and posterior walls of the gallbladder. Now, the symptoms of gallbladder are occasional pain in the right part of the upper abdomen, hypochondrium, nausea, and vomiting. So, the gallbladder polyps are the growth that protrude from the lining of the inside of the gallbladder. Polyps can be malignant, cancerous, but rarely. About 95% of the gallbladder polyps are benign. The size of the gallbladder polyp can help predict whether it is malignant or benign. Surgery may be necessary if polyps cause symptoms are larger than 1 centimeter. Surgery is recommended when a polyp has grown by 2 millimeter or more since the last checkup. The treatment involves surgical removal of the gallbladder. Again, you can see the patient in the side-on position, and multiple gallbladder polyps are seen along the walls of the gallbladder. Gallbladder polyps are elevated lesions on the mucosal surface of the gallbladder. The majority are benign, but malignant forms are also seen. Gallbladder polyps are common, seen in up to 9% of the population. Over 90% of these polyps are benign, and the majority of these are cholesterol polyps. Cholesterol polyps are the most frequently identified in patients between the ages of 40 to 50 years and are more frequently seen in females. Incidentally, this patient also has a large stone in the proximal portion of the ureter. You can see the left kidney shows a large stone in the proximal portion of the ureter. Now, the benign polyps are about 95% of the polyps. Cholesterol polyps are more than 50% of the polyps. Adenoma are 30%, possibly pre-malignant, and inflammatory polyps are 10%. Other rare entities may also be seen. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button.